In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore files in Google Drive. Whether you've accidentally deleted an important document or you're just cleaning up and need to retrieve something you've tossed away, Google Drive makes it quite simple to recover your files from the trash bin. Let's walk through this straightforward process together, ensuring you know exactly what to do if you find yourself in need of a quick file recovery. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Google Drive. You can do this by entering drive.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll want to ensure you're logged in with the correct Google account that has access to the drive where you believe your file is stored. Google Drive's interface is intuitive, making it quite easy to find your way around. You'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find all the primary navigation options for managing your files. The next step is to click on the trash option from this menu. In some accounts, this might also appear as bin. This section stores all the files you've deleted within the past 30 days. If the file you're looking for was deleted longer than that, it might have been permanently removed, and unfortunately, recovery might not be possible in that case. So it's always a good idea to act quickly if you realize something important is missing. Once you're in the trash, locate the file you want to restore. This can be done by scrolling through the list of deleted items or using the search function if you remember the name of the file. Take your time to ensure that you're selecting the correct file, as names might be similar if you've been working on multiple versions or copies of the same document. After identifying the desired file, hover over it until a checkmark appears at the top left corner of the file icon. Click on this checkmark to select the file. This action will activate additional options in the menu, usually at the top of the file list. You're almost there. Finally, to restore the file to its original location in your drive, look for the restore icon. This is typically represented by a curved arrow pointing upwards. Click on it, and voila! Your file will be removed from the trash and placed back into its original location in your Google Drive, ready to use just like before. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you've successfully restored a file in Google Drive. Remember, keeping your drive organized and routinely checking your trash can help avoid losing important documents in the future. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day.